Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best adult apps to your Firestick or Android TV stick. Without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app code downloader to the Fire TV. And you can actually get downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. You just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and there's the app that you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So to set up downloader, we will go to the settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, and then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick. Here it is, we open it, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, we'll be using downloader safely. So we go straight back to downloader, open it up on your Fire Stick, and now here, just go to the search bar and start typing in the codes. So the first code will be 953562. So once again, it's 953562. That's the first code we are going to use. Click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now, the file got already downloaded to our Fire TV stick. And then of course we also have to install it to our device. So click install and wait a bit. And after the app got installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, you will find this first application which we got for you today. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And now we go back to Downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing application similar to the first one. So we go back to Downloader, erase the previous code as it's not needed anymore, and now the second code will be 647190. So once again, it's 647190. Click on Go, and now the download of the second app should start for us as well. And there you go, the file got downloaded. Click on Install as well and make sure that it gets installed. And then again, click on Done to delete unnecessary files from your device. So just like that, we got 2 amazing apps for your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.